Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2007 SL 550. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 with 382 horsepower and 391 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Black leather interior with a burl walnut trim. Burl walnut and leather steering wheel. Hardtop convertible. SL 550 badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Retractable hardtop. Premium one package with heated and cooled seats, memory seats, Bose sound system, steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, our button for a retractable roof, traction control, comfort in sports mode. This SL 550 has 53,841 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2007 SL 550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.